The Tri-Zone Climate Control System standard on Odyssey EX and above trims can give control to the driver, the front seat passenger, and rear seat passengers to adjust the climate in their respective zones. Let's start with the easiest way to go. In Auto mode, the climate control system maintains the interior temperature you select automatically. Push the Auto button. Now the driver and front seat passenger can control the temperature by pushing their control switch up or down to set the temperature. Pushing the Sync button allows the driver to set the temperature for all zones at the same time. Push the Sync button again to return to the Tri-Zone mode. Now the temperature for the driver's side, the passenger's side, and the rear passenger's compartment can be set separately. Pushing the Front Climate button displays the different airflow vent options you can choose from on the touchscreen. The highlighted one is currently in operation. To change it, touch the option you want. Touching the AC icon on the touchscreen allows you to turn the AC off and use the fan only. Press the fan control icon to turn the fan on, and increase fan speed by touching any of the options next to it. And to prevent air from being drawn in from outside, press the recirculation button. That can be used to help cool or heat the cabin more quickly, or to keep noxious fumes from entering the cabin. The front and rear defrost buttons are next to each other on the control panel. Use them to clear the windows of frost or fog before driving the vehicle. To adjust the rear climate control from the front of the vehicle, press the Rear Climate button. Press Rear Climate again to display the rear controls on the touchscreen, including Auto mode, lock, temperature control, and fan control, which appear for several seconds. Touch the Auto icon and the rear system switches to the Auto mode. Now the system automatically adjusts the fan and airflow to maintain the set rear temperature. To turn off the rear climate control, select the On/Off icon. Selecting the Lock icon turns lock mode on and off. When locked, the rear control panel is disabled. With rear climate controls unlocked, rear seat passengers can adjust the climate control to their liking using the rear control panel. The controls are very similar to the front controls. To set the rear temperature, press the Auto button and then adjust the temperature using the rear temperature control bar. Press the up or down arrows on the rear fan control bar to increase or decrease the fan speed. And press the Mode button to change the airflow vent options that are available. Turn the system off by pushing the On/Off button.